Good morning, vlog girl. Another day, another vlog. We're leaving right now. Just over there, about to do some fuck shit. We not plan. We don't want plan something. We not plan. No, we not plan. We don't want plan something. Yeah, damn, y'all clowning me? No. So I gotta full up again? We good there. Remember the gas station there where we are drive out? Yeah, man. So we leaving right now. We are do the double check them to see if we have everything and now left nothing. You know? So we are go through the house. I score. Oh, the upstairs. We are go through the house and see what is what. My one I left liquor them for. Y'all bugging. Oh, that's what you came for? Yeah. Yeah, let me pour a cup. So vlog where I go and we just left. We go eat breakfast. Quest bus a shit. Quest bus a shit. Alright there so. Oh you do that too? No. Yeah man, you bus a shit man. No. We out here just left this white breakfast spot. It's late. The food now have no seasoning. We're not like brush off your beard, okay? When having it? Great year. Oh, great. So right now, we're about to leave. We have how much hour drive?
Huh? 5 hours. 5 hours? 2.5.
No, it's not that. I'm more than that. So when we make a mistake, then when we da forward, because 4 hours show me.
No, remember say you have to pull up on the highway and take a shit.
You all away. Yeah. You all away pull up on the highway and take a shit. So police, them two, you mark them face. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, finally make it back home. I'm glad we reached home. The trip was late. As you can see, on a journey with me, we cut it short. You see me? I start go on trips from now on for the vlog, you know, with people, because I know this is short notice to some people. But me I plan trips from now on, so wanna soon be a part of that too. Me I plan some trips where you can be a part of that, and we just all a vibe, you see me? I'm not thinking about me reach home now. We're gonna see where the rest of the day go end fall for us. Me get some food right now. Brown stew, fish, and I'm about to slap it with you bag a leak. I'm about to slap it right now. This is my dinner. So I soon come back. Go and do it for your vlog. So vlog world. This is not a sponsor by Magnum or anything. I just got a goodie bag from Jamaica. Fresh from yard. Fresh. I am Meds. Meds just fly in from Jamaica and the dog drop off. So, well, me just come link him and get a goodie. A snap bag, me fi say. Why? Wait, that why you know that, Meds? Chew me on a rasta. Ross, me set off your lamp on the car. Jesus Christ. Set off your lamp on the car. Oh, no me. Oh, no me that.
I become Munchies Pack.
Yeah, Munchies Pack. The Munchies Pack that. I gotta have a jolly time with this tonight.
Yeah, man.
A mad move.
With a howling additive.
Yeah.
2 Magnum.
2 Magnum. Not sponsored, but 2 Magnum. You see me? Ainana chips. St. Mary. Yeah, man. I chips these people. I chips. Ainana chips. Junior the upstairs asleep. I more ask how his trip was. Because I know he probably love it. Hey, them people like that like on them care. So vlog world. We're gonna call it a night. We reach home back at my house after I left Meds them crib. I know that vlog you probably not see much, but on a every day. I sleep, I never not lie to you. But I talk to you no more in other vlog. Yeah. All of the vlog them every day might not be lit. To expect, you see me, but just expect lit vlogs throughout the whole vlogging experience. Every day me a vlog, and every day I go be entertaining, you see me. I kinda like how the vibe I go already with the vlog them. Me just forward back at my yard now fully and things, so I forgot Georgia this week, so I can look out for that too. I may have something in store for you see me, as in entertainment purpose, but remember my headphone them a drop, and again upon me the site not really done make yet for me, but the website for the headphone them soon come out. Why else me fi tell them I'm gonna quick update, Cause me I go in go sleep, you know. Me I go edit this first before I go sleep. If I even 8 minutes me get, me I upload it, you see me? I soon ask about Blue. Blue good, Blue there one next year, you see me? Him alright. I'm not gonna see me with him for a while. But him alright. Me nah no more animals. Me answer question when me know me see regular in the comment section. Me nah no more animals which part me live. Which part me live me can't have animals. My body a beat. But this work got to be done first. Yeah, this week I come up, me just have some things soon. Me have a party November the 26th, if me not mistaken. Late I said the date. Me have a party in November in Atlanta. Further on when it go nearer to the date, I go see a winner at the party. I don't want to say the wrong date, you know. But yeah, as to the girl of Canada, she blocked me. And it kinda hard to get over that, you see me? Kinda miss my phone and ring off every minute. And as she. I think she tie me. No, I just keep a think about her. I don't want to cry no more. But I think she tie me. And my other girl not talk to me. You never know where she there. So if you can help me, help me. I'm lost. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog right there. So God, please let me get 8 minutes so I can upload this soon. But tomorrow is supposed to be more entertaining. You know, I'm back in my place. And think I'm going to find something to do tomorrow in the next vlog. Hopefully you don't like this. This one was probably a quick update and thing. But both for step up the vlog them and notch. And I expect the unexpected. Soon and very soon. So yeah, so we are going to the vlog. Go on up on yourself. Thanks for watching. If you do not go on in this, please do remember to like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. The night is about 2 something in the morning. I'm going to call it a night. And I'm going to edit this vlog so you can watch it right now, 10 o'clock. Well, you know, watch it at probably the time when it release. But big up on yourself again. And really, it's not easy doing this everyday vlog. It's hard, but I'm doing it for y'all. So, journey with you as you did for the vlog. A mad thing. Go and do it.
Father Depot.
Father.
Holy.
You catch it at a lie?
Outside a lie.
Rich a lie?
Bumbo class.
Me couldn't forget the night when me get in on my life. Best pussy when me ever fall. God damn it, it's so tight.